Hi friends, the second part of our topic brachial plexus, and just proceeding further, I am willing to have a small revision. We know the brachial plexus consists of five things. One is root, second is trunk, third one is division, fourth one is course, and fifth one the branches. And there are five roots: C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. There are three trunks. One is upper trunk formed by upper two roots C5 and C6. One is middle trunk formed by a only single root, that is C7, and one is the lower trunk formed by lower two roots. वही assistant, peon and boss. यस वही स्टोरी, बस ध्यान में रख के आगे चलना है और लिखते रहना है. सो लोअर ट्रंक इज फॉर्म्ड बाय यूनियन ऑफ टू रूट्स, दैट इज C8 and T1. नाउ दीज three trunks, each trunk is divided into two parts. हर ट्रंक, ऊपर वाला, बीच में वाला और लास्ट का, हर ट्रंक दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता है. वन इज एंटीरियर and second one is posterior. So these are the divisions. Each trunk is divided into anterior division and posterior division. Anterior division and posterior division unites, as I mean to say, three posterior divisions, they unite, they form a posterior cord. Upper two anterior divisions, they unite, means the anterior division of upper trunk and anterior division of the middle trunk, they unite and they form a lateral cord. And the single anterior division of the lower trunk, it forms the medial cord. So these cords, lateral, posterior and medial cords, these three cords, they are forming the five branches. They are forming main five branches. The one part of your upper trunk, it forms a nerve. Union of upper and lower trunk, it forms a nerve. Union of these means from the middle trunk, it forms a nerve. So these are the main five nerves, and we will talk in the next video about these five nerves. Before proceeding with these, just now this is the part to remember. It is not a part of technique and all this. We completed good many portion with the technique and we can draw the brachial plexus perfectly. Now little exertion, even though I am trying, just I created some story even with these small your nerves from the brachial plexus, but it need little, you can say, rectification. So the root of brachial plexus give two small nerves. Root of brachial plexus give two small nerves. One is dorsal scapular nerve and second one is long thoracic nerve, a nerve which is going along the thoracic wall. It is a long thoracic nerve, and one is dorsal scapular nerve. So these are the nerves with the roots. Just again, root give two nerves. One is dorsal scapular nerve and second one is long thoracic nerve. Now about the trunks. So we know there are three trunks. One is upper trunk formed by C5, C6. One is middle trunk formed by C7, and one is lower trunk formed by C8 and T1. And it is our fortune, थोड़ा एक्सर्शन कम हो रहा है, कि बस अपर ट्रंक की ब्रांचेस देता है. मिडल ट्रंक और लोअर ट्रंक ने बोला है भाई चल मैं नहीं देता हूँ ब्रांचेस. सो अपर ट्रंक ऑफ द upper trunk, so upper trunk of the brachial plexus gives suprascapular nerve and nerve to the subclavius. It gives two suprascapular. We know dorsal scapula is there with the roots. Now we have the suprascapular and nerve to the subclavian. So these are the two small branches derived from upper trunk. Your lower trunk and middle trunks are happy at that level, and there is no branch from lower trunk and the middle trunk. Now divisions, there is no question of any branch from the divisions because they are running to create something for the structure, for the architecture of the brachial plexus. So they are saying that no यार हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम बस आगे चल के वो आगे का जो काम है वो पूरा करेंगे. So divisions are not giving branches. Now the codes. Now the codes are creating main branches, and even the codes are giving the branches. And the branches of codes are, we know friends, there are three codes. One is lateral cord, one is posterior cord, and one is medial cord. The upper place it is lateral, the middle place it is posterior, and third one is the medial cord. Just I am taking the help of this paper. I created a story there so that you can remember it in a good way. So your first cord is lateral cord, which is at the upper level among all these three: lateral, posterior, and medial cord. So this lateral cord give a branch. Who is giving branch? Lateral cord. For whom it is giving branch? To the pectoral region. Yes. Lateral cord giving branch to pectoral region. So it is called as lateral pectoral nerve. If lateral is giving to the pectoral region, medial ने भी सोचा मैं भी देता हूँ यार. So medial cord is again giving a branch to the pectoral region, and but natural. The name of that branch is medial pectoral nerve. We will talk when we are going to deal with the medial. But this is a few steps to logic, so that थोड़ा मेहनत कम होता है ना. क्या ना ध्यान में रखे, कितना ध्यान में रखे, लॉजिक से चले तो बेटर. So now your next one is your medial cord. The medial cord gives three nerves. One is medial pectoral nerve, अभी जैसे बोला medial pectoral nerve. Second one, नाम कौन सा कॉर्ड है? medial cutaneous nerve. किसके लिए? यहाँ पे आर्म के लिए. नीचे का गुस्सा आ गया, उसको मैं क्या करूँ? ओके भाई, तेरे को भी एक नर्व. So next third one is medial cutaneous nerve for forearm. So medial cord gives three. One is medial pectoral nerve, second is medial cutaneous nerve for the arm, and third one is medial cutaneous nerve for the forearm. Medial cutaneous nerve for the upper means arm, and medial cutaneous nerve for the lower means forearm. So these are the two medial cutaneous nerves, and one is medial pectoral nerve. Now about your this posterior cord. Your posterior cord gives again three branches. Posterior cord gives three branches, and for those three branches we can think of, there are three police constables. There are three police constables. A name of one lady police constable is Usha Shinde. The name of next lady police constable is Lata Shinde, and the name of third lady police constable is Lata Deshmukh. So these are the three police constables, and from these three, one is your subscapular nerve. Which one? Upper subscapular, Usha Shinde, upper subscapular nerve. Then your Lata Shinde, lower subscapular nerve, and lastly Lata Deshmukh, nerve to the latissimus dorsi. This nerve to the latissimus dorsi is also known as upper हो गया, lower हो गया, तो middle subscapular. So these are the nerves which are taking origin from different parts of the brachial plexus.